distribution is a free service offered by Lulu that allows you to list your book on retail channels. All sales made through these channels are reported back to Lulu and made available to you in your account for easy access and tracking. When you publish your ebook on Lulu and meet all the distribution requirements, we can then list it for you on a wide range of retail sites across the web. These include Amazon, Barnes & Noble, iBookstore, Kobo, and Scribd. In this tutorial, we'll go over the steps of publishing an ebook with global distribution and go over some of the key requirements to do so. Let's get started. On Lulu's homepage, click the Create tab, then click Start Your Book. Select Ebook from the product types, then select Publish Your Book as your goal. Be sure that global distribution is checked off in the options that appear. Enter a project title, ebook language, and category. When you're finished, click Add Copyright Info. Before we move on, let's talk about metadata. Metadata are all the things that describe your ebook. So this includes the title, author name, description, ISBN, and more. Getting your metadata right is critical to successfully publishing for distribution. If a retail channel can't match the metadata, they won't list your book. Some of this information will be locked to your project when you complete publishing, so be sure to review everything carefully. The last step of Lulu's publishing process is a thorough review, so you will have an opportunity to go back and make any necessary changes. One of the things we recommend that will be helpful in this process is creating a Google Doc or a Word doc or something that lives on your desktop that has all of your metadata that you can review throughout the process to make sure everything is accurate and consistent. Enter the title, subtitle, and edition information. Next, add the contributor information such as authors, artists, and photographers. Choose a copyright license that best suits your work, then choose an ISBN option. You can use a free ISBN provided by Lulu or use an ISBN that you purchased elsewhere. Then click Design Your ebook. On the design page, upload your ebook file and cover thumbnail by clicking Upload or by dragging and dropping it into the box. Before uploading your files, be sure you've added all the required information by checking our mandatory ebook distribution requirements in our Global Distribution Guide. If you need more information on preparing your files, also check out our ebook creation guide. On the next page, you'll provide additional metadata in the form of an ebook description, BISAC categories and keywords, and an intended audience. These elements contribute to the complete picture of your ebook and should not be overlooked or added without careful consideration. When you sell your book through retail channels, your book will be listed alongside millions of others, so your keywords, categories, and descriptions play a vital role in helping potential readers discover your book. Once you've finished, click Add Pricing and Payees. Set a retail price for your book either by choosing a revenue goal or a fixed list price. If you choose a revenue goal, you can set how much you would like to earn from each sale. Then Lulu will calculate the suggested retail price for both the Lulu bookstore and global distribution revenue. Note that an ebook sold directly through Lulu can be set to free, but if you intend to sell through retail channels, you must set a price at 99¢ or higher. The minimum price for ebooks using global distribution ensures retailers can take their fee. Finally, add a payee to tell Lulu who to pay and how to send payments. Click Final Review to review your information. Carefully review the metadata and files you've submitted, then check the box acknowledging you've reviewed all the steps. You'll then be prompted to set the visibility on the Lulu bookstore and publish your book. After you publish your ebook, retailers will review the EPUB files to make sure they meet all of their requirements. This process can take up to 8 weeks. Once retailers approve your ebook, they will list it on their site for sale. All sales made through retail channels will be reported back to Lulu and listed in your Lulu account. For more information on publishing with Lulu, be sure to check out our other tutorials, and as always, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll see you next time.